Did you know this fluffy animal can spit when it's annoyed? Meet the alpaca. Alpacas come from the mountains of South America and are closely related to llamas, but they're smaller, cuter, and famous for their super soft wool. Their fleece is one of the most valuable natural fibers in the world. It's warmer than sheep's wool, hypoallergenic, and used to make luxury sweaters, scarves, and blankets. Alpacas are also very social animals. They live in herds, communicate with soft humming sounds, and yes, sometimes they spit to show dominance. If you love learning cool animal facts, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos.